Here's a look at our brand new collection, Dreamcoat. First of all, we have a devotional here. It's written by Aaron Davis. Aaron points us to what it means to be chosen by God, to be beloved and to be precious to Him as His child. And also what that means from a worldly perspective, through rejection, even hatred, while finding peace and rest, knowing that He has chosen us and He has called us out. We're going to start in Genesis 37 and the story of rejection and redemption of Joseph. We'll be visiting Luke 6 to read what Jesus has to say about being chosen and called out and rejected by the world. Here's a look at the coordinating stamp set. We have a crown of thorns, a vine, some bubble wrap texture, as well as some titles. This month's featured element is a stencil. So you can see this will be a really fun bubble wrap art piece. Without getting out some bubble wrap and some paint and making a mess, this will be a different option. This stencil is very delicate though, so make sure you're working from the outside in when you rub your color or stamp your color onto it. For subscribers to our auto ship program, not only do you get all of these elements, but you also get an additional set of those 3 cardstock sticker sheets. We also have our printables featuring journaling cards and pattern swatches, as well as embellishments that you can print yourself. I also have a fun bonus this month for our auto ship subscribers. I'm including this washi tape. You may have seen this in an older collection. It's a very deep purple background with some gold foil enhancement. So every kit that's on our auto ship program this month is going to receive that automatically included in your shipment. Of course, we have our suggested coordinating ink pads this month: Tango Mango, Golden Sunkiss, Cotton Candy, Planetarium, Pomegranate, Pistachio, and Mermaid Teal. Lots of colors this month. I hope you love this new collection and that you'll join us for this month's creative Bible study.